Choosing the right commercial services provider is one of the most important decisions a business owner can make. Whether you manage an office building, retail space, or industrial facility, the quality of service you receive directly impacts your operations, safety, and overall success. For businesses in Rochester Hills, finding a reliable and experienced provider ensures your property stays functional, efficient, and professional at all times. One of the first things to consider when selecting a commercial services provider is experience. A company with a proven track record understands the unique needs of commercial properties and can handle a wide range of tasks with confidence. From routine maintenance to more complex projects, experienced professionals bring valuable knowledge that helps prevent issues before they become costly problems. Reputation is equally important. Take the time to research reviews, testimonials, and past projects. A provider with positive feedback from other businesses in Rochester Hills is more likely to deliver consistent, high-quality service. Word-of-mouth recommendations can also be a strong indicator of reliability and professionalism. Another key factor is the range of services offered. A comprehensive commercial services provider can handle multiple aspects of your property, such as maintenance, repairs, upgrades, and inspections. This eliminates the need to hire multiple contractors and simplifies communication. Having one trusted provider ensures consistency and makes managing your property much more efficient. Reliability and responsiveness are critical in the commercial setting. When issues arise, you need a provider who can respond quickly and effectively. Delays in repairs or maintenance can disrupt your business operations and potentially impact customers or employees. Look for a company that prioritizes timely service and clear communication, so you always know what to expect. Licensing, insurance, and certifications should never be overlooked. A reputable commercial services provider will have the proper credentials to operate safely and legally. This protects both your business and the workers on site. It also gives you peace of mind knowing that the work is being performed according to industry standards. Customization is another important aspect to consider. Every business has unique needs, and a one-size-fits-all approach may not be effective. The right provider will take the time to understand your specific requirements and develop a tailored plan that aligns with your goals. Whether you need ongoing maintenance or one-time services, flexibility is key to ensuring your property receives the care it needs. Cost is always a factor, but it's important to look beyond just the price. While it may be tempting to choose the lowest bid, cheaper services can sometimes lead to lower quality work or recurring issues. Instead, focus on value, what you're getting for your investment. A reliable provider may cost more upfront but can save you money in the long run by preventing costly repairs and ensuring long-lasting results. Communication also plays a major role in a successful partnership. A good commercial services provider keeps you informed throughout every step of the process. They should be easy to reach, willing to answer questions, and transparent about timelines and costs. Clear communication builds trust and ensures there are no surprises along the way. Another important consideration is their commitment to safety. Commercial properties must meet certain safety standards, and your service provider should prioritize compliance. From proper equipment handling to following regulations, a safety-focused provider helps protect your employees, customers, and property. Finally, look for a provider that values long-term relationships. The best commercial services companies aim to become a trusted partner rather than just a one-time contractor. By building a lasting relationship, they gain a deeper understanding of your property and can provide more proactive and efficient service over time. In the end, choosing the right commercial services provider in Rochester Hills comes down to trust, quality, and reliability. By considering experience, reputation, services, and communication, you can find a partner that supports your business and helps your property perform at its best. Taking the time to make the right choice today can lead to smoother operations and greater peace of mind for years to come.